Hello, am I audible? Please confirm if I am audible. Great. Hi Vishwanathan and Dhanashekar. Hi Bhaskar. So, yes, I have just arrived home 10 minutes back. I quickly changed and then started streaming. Uh, just I came home. My work got completed. Uh, so, my training program is confirmed for this month. So I will not be available for 3 days. The dates client will confirm when it is going to be. But yeah, largely my training is finalized for this March month. So that's a good news. Uh, like I said, market took a rejection at 40,800. As soon as it went there, market started reversing. And if you guys have been observing, I said market will find its rejection around this blue line. Clearly, it got rejected. If you guys have stayed and taken a position here, I just had a beating, so I exited somewhere here and then collected some 40 points and then left. But if it was a full day that I was available, then I would have really taken this position and multiple times I would have entered and gotten. Um, how many opportunities? One, two, three, easily three, four opportunities. Definitely, I would have picked. I would have definitely picked four opportunities. Also, would have suggested to people. But yeah, minimum four opportunities we would have got. Let's check the comments. Yeah, thank you so much, Vishwanath. This is my first training program of this year. I'm a corporate trainer, and this is the first program that got confirmed in the month of March. Last time I did was in November. Yeah, so I'm happy with it. Yeah, you will find a lot of stop loss triggering happening. That's pretty normal. I think these are some good opportunities. I don't know if I should have entered. Um, if there is any sudden spike upside, I will enter now because these are good opportunities. Uh, I'm going to enter some quantities. Yeah, I took some position now. Just now I took a PE position. So this is like sell on rise market. Every green candle you can initiate a PE position. It's like that. And when there is a large spike, then definitely you can average clearly. This is good. Yeah, I have just entered. Right now I entered. I just took a PE position exactly at this level. Here exactly I entered. It's already like 6 rupees up. I took it at 371. Currently it is at 377. So how many of you entered? How many of you entered at the same time? So once this low is broken, you will be seeing market making some drastic moves. Still a lot of potential is there, I believe. More up downtrend is there. Oh, that's good. But keep trading, Vishwanath. Please do keep trading it. Good morning, Mr. Ganesh. Because whenever high or a low is broken, it will continue to make newer lows or newer highs. So it's the tendency of the market. I think Market is at low for the day, then it should continue to make newer lows. It will attempt to make newer lows. So I would be riding on that rally for some time. Maybe I will start trading with stop loss. It's in good profit, right? So with stop loss order, I am going to take some 382. I wanted to exit. So waiting at LT3. Okay. They wiped the put in the morning session. Now they're wiping call. Yeah, definitely. That's the game. That's the game. Really wanted to exit above 382 price. I can place a direct order also, but then stop loss means sometimes there will be a jump if it tries to run to 400 and all. Then I don't want to miss that ride. Mm-hmm. $378. It'll be nice if they break this low. Really, it will be good if they break this low. there will be more velocity in this. Yeah, 380 it is. Let it cross 382. So these are all like quick moves, and just 4 rupees it went up and then came down. But I would like to just ensure that I'm exiting at least at 12 points, so I'm going to wait. Okay, it got triggered. Fine. I sold at 383. So got about 1 rupee extra. Wow, it jumped. After it triggered my stop loss, I jumped about 8 points. Wonderful. That's good. Yeah, that's right. Siddharth, um, I don't believe in the news-based moves, because that news-based moves will be like acting for a day or two, maybe for 1 week. But what really sustains is the fundamentals and the logic. And this was told very clearly, like day before yesterday itself. Maximum I am expecting it to go to 40,800. If you guys are regular on my stream, I said that market will not go beyond 40,300 to 400. Worst case scenario, if it is going, it should reach 40,800 is what I said. And look what happened. It reached here and then look at the fall from there, right? So always fundamentals and technical analysis will overrule news. News will take the market up and down for probably short term, but it cannot be the order of the day. It cannot be the trend, right? Unless otherwise it is a global news, global crash, some sort of scam, some sort of what to say, something drastic that is going to define the Indian market itself. Some news can be like Satyam scam, or for example COVID. These are going to affect the entire world market or Indian market totally. Those are the things that are going to have impact in the long run. Otherwise, all the news will have, like, say, budget. That day, the very next day itself, it was so muted, it was dull. That day it went up so much, same day it fell down, and then very next day nothing, no action, zero action for 1 week. So that's what will happen. News based events and all, 1 day or 2 day maximum. Yeah, even I have to close all my positions because I was a bit concerned if there is any sort of moves happening today, and if my meeting was going beyond the time, then I may not be able to do anything about it, right? So I exited those positions, but then whatever, I captured the intraday. Morning I did some quick scalp. Now I did some quick scalp. Already like some 8K done. So that's good enough. Even if I was holding a writing position, it wouldn't have given me 8K and all. Definitely. Probably I would have got some 50, 60 points I would have got. Hmm. Not 50, 60 points. For this fall pre has increased a lot. Calls have not written much. Maybe some 20 to 25 points I would have got. So anyone took any position? I think Vishwanathan has taken. How did it go, Vishwanathan? Have you booked your profits yet? Let's check Bank Nifty as well. Oh, Nifty is super solid. Good, Bhaskar. Very good. Yeah, Siddharth. So many news all around the world, and Indian market was flying yesterday, uh, close to 500 points. Guys, there could be some sharp no green candle. You may even start to think the market is reversing. That sort of candle might come. Uh, Let me be precise because things could be very misleading, right? We'll go ahead and then put it here. You may see a sudden spike till here, that is a fabulous opportunity on the PE side. Okay. Suddenly, if you see an 140 points candle in green, close your eyes and take PE position here. That sort of potential it has. What is PDL? Siddharth? Previous day low, I think. Maybe. Previous day low. Ah, okay. Correct. So I re-entered at the same price. I think my food has arrived. I've ordered from Swiggy. Just let me mute myself. Give me some 5 minutes, guys. I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. You can see that the market has hi, Santoshi. Very good afternoon. How are you? It's a good price to enter and average. I think when I went to buy food, it went to 387, 388. I failed to exit, but then not a problem. I got in at 371. Currently, it is at 367, 365. Not a problem. Any further rise, I will average. So, no need to average at this juncture. If you are someone looking for entry, probably small quantities you can enter on the PE side here. And if further upside moves are happening, then you can average, right? But right now, this is a good level to enter into PE. Maximum, that blue line is what I am expecting it to reach, right? So this is the level I am expecting it to reach. Let's check that. Yeah, this is the level I am expecting it to reach, and it's already taking a reversal from here. Oh, any green candle is a good entry for P. It is sell on rise market, and there is no reason for market to go up except if they wanted to set some trap for today. That's all. It could be a intraday trap, or probably for tomorrow they have set some trap. Other than that, downtrend is confirmed, and my view will continue to be downtrend. Okay, so let's see what happens to this 5 minutes candle. We are into 5 minutes candle instead of 15 because market is showing volatility. During volatility, we want more data, right? If you want to do like close to a scalping, I wouldn't say scalping, probably quick trades. If you want to do, you need to move to shorter time frame to understand and collect more information. Hi Jatan, yes, yeah, my meeting went on well. I was able to close the deal. I will be having a training program for my company this month, and mostly in the second week or third week, not yet finalized. We are still discussing that. Meeting went on well, and yeah, this is my first deal for this year, so it's good. And let's check. Santosh ji, wonderful that you were able to achieve your targets. Good, Santosh ji. Thank you, Jatan. Thanks for the wishes. Market showing, erosion is happening on the put side, but it's good. It's good because they wanted to make the put premium cheaper so that they can drag it around 245. So I'm going to re-enter. This is good place for me to re-enter, I believe, and taken a position. Yes, today there was a lot of opportunities. If I was also there, I would have made some nice trades. That's okay. Sometimes we have to prioritize, but I'm glad Jatin was able to take some advantage of it. He found the trades to be easy. Definitely, I believe that he might have taken advantage of that. So it's further going up, and I'm going to do a good average at this juncture. I'm not going to do any averaging in between. Just I have taken sufficient quantity here. When it goes here, I will take a big average. Otherwise, I'm not going to do anything in between. Holiday for Tuesday. Any plan for premium meeting? Let market happen tomorrow, and then we will decide for Tuesday. Because Friday things are very crazy, right? Let's not initiate anything at this juncture. Let's decide towards the end of the day. Second half we can decide with that. Yes, Salvi Velraj, I am on the PE side. Correct. My God, my God, I didn't even check the price. Look at that sudden shift in gear. Um, well done, Jatin. Exactly. That's what we have to do. We have to have some sort of analysis, have some you know entries and exits, and try experiment it. There is no other better way to learn the market, right? Uh, because there are countless number of analysts, countless number of people saying that market will go up, market will go down, market will be range bound. So much of noise is there that our own analysis get lost in that in those voices. and it's very difficult to trade without having a clarity. That's why hear everything, but you decide what you want to do, right? uh, if possible, if you are able to ignore some of the unwanted comments, that's a great skill you have learned. So I'm happy that you were able to trust that 40,800 level to be a good resistance. And also, not only that, you went ahead and then took some positions and then got the reward. That's exactly what rewards are for people to have their own mind and make decisions. They are the ones to be rewarded. If you are with the crowd, you will be butchered with the crowd. Okay, so well done. This is a nice fall. Now if it can go and then break this low, we are in for a massive fall. We can expect 40,323 as one target. Then this is definitely another target. So yeah, let's see if the market is able to break the low. Low is 369. Let's see that market is able to breach that. I have placed some exit at 373. I just wish it gets executed. This markets, you are able to capture 12 to 15 points is good on distant OTMs. Not distant OTMs, just that 500 points away strikes. Interesting. So what is that 240 move? 240 or 245? We are going to have some move. Which side it's going to be? Let's watch. And I am on the PE side. And if it goes on the PE side, you will see a big rally on the downside. Why I am on the PE side? Because my sentiments are bearish, one. Second thing is intraday is also bearish. The pattern that's formed is also bearish. And it makes perfect sense to trade below when you're close to the day's low. Taking that one final attack on the downside is the most logical thing to do. That's why I'm bearish. Okay, and if it fails, it fails. Nothing can be done, right? Hi, Mr. Pov. Yes, thank you so much. Hi, the Victory channel. Welcome. Good to see you all. Yes, I am back in Chennai, and I think the streams here will be much better. One for good internet connectivity, and second with almost no noise environment. Sun for oh my god, you lost 2 lakhs today. How come? Victory channel, this is really sad. My god. Oh my god, that's pretty sad. I don't know where you entered and what quantities you entered. Entire capital wiped out. My goodness. Oh boy. Please. I'll send 1% of my capital. My capital itself is not going to be. I appreciate you. Yeah, definitely, Santoshji. Yes, it requires a lot of guts to say in person into the open community, right? Excuse me. That's a brave thing. But losing a capital, I don't know. That shakes the confidence for a very long time. You need lots and lots of studying, disciplining, then coming back strong. It's going to be taking a while. Even if you have cash, don't bring in. Invest on learning. Have some sort of consistent victories, small victories, but consistently. Um, you are calling some shots, and then if you are getting it 8 times right, 9 times right, then pump in the real money. Until then, stay away. If you are in options, unless you are above bare minimum, you should get 7 strikes, 7 calls right. Because 3 losses in options will equate to 7 profits. That's the kind of risk you are dealing with. One day is enough. Just one bad day is enough to wipe off whatsoever the capital is. Very sorry to hear that. Yes, certainly. I agree with Siddharth. You should do a lot of paper trading. My God, 44K profit is almost 25% of your capital, returns on your capital. I mean, these are absolute blunders. Think of it, no? 2 lakhs is your capital, you're getting almost 50K, 44K, close to 45% you made today. Sorry, 23% you made today. Why don't you book and exit and be happy? Maybe you have some dreams of getting a new laptop, you could have got a new laptop. You wanted to set up some sort of lighting systems, whatever it is, whatever you wanted. Maybe you wanted to buy books, you wanted to sign up for a course. You could have done everything with that money. You could have attended easily 3 sessions, 3 programs from good people. So much you had today, but now not only you lost the capital, you lost your profits, you lost your capital, you lost your confidence, and now a lot of damage, that is. Nevertheless, uh, clearly define what you wanted to earn in next 6 months, not financially, what you want to earn in terms of discipline, what you want to earn in terms of trade setup, how you want your trade setup to be. Monday means you should know what to do. Tuesday means you should know what to do. Expiry day means you should know clearly what's your game plan. Study the market. Santosh ji has attended my mentorship program, and you can check with him how many analysis and how long that analysis is where. I showed it to him. That was done for a very long time. Since 2020, I am doing such long analysis for many months, and that's why we are able to survive any sort of volatile market, everything, right? Requires a lot of patience, a lot of dedication and effort. Now, having lost it, please focus on getting some books, getting yourself upskilled, and then come back stronger. That's the only thing I can say at this juncture. Definitely, yes. Just be on stream, learn, see how we are dealing with volatility, ask questions, clarify, make notes, take a long size notebook, sit with a pen, everything, anything that you feel that it's worth noting down, note it down, capture those lessons, see if you can create a trade setup out of it. Do everything in your capacity to optimize your profits, optimize your trade setup. That's what the attention should be. Went up, it's coming down, and then now we are seeing some green candle here. This green is not trustable one, because although it's making green candle here, the PE option is climbing up. With this green candle, the PE value is appreciated by 4 rupees. That's a clear indication that we might see a bigger fall. Yeah. Honestly, if you have a good setup, that is the best earning that you have done. Even if you win a lottery and have 1 crore, you will lose it in the market. You will lose it. Definitely you will lose it. But you invest in your learning. Even if you have 10 lakhs, you can make it 1 crore. Yeah, these are exactly how I was learning. Paying big money for learning small things. Very small thing this is. When you see a sizable profit, take it and exit. Close for the day. Very simple, elementary lesson. Too easy to predict on paper. Extremely difficult to execute in reality. Okay? But that's how you learn. Fine. I just wanted to check if my order got executed. Oh, no, not yet. 2 rupees away. I placed it at 373. It is at 370, 71, like that. Yeah, I have exited off my order. Another off is there. Now I want to risk with that. See, I got 250 quantities at 373 and 357. The one that I got at 357, I executed at 373. So, holding only the 373, 250 quantities, for which there is already some edging done. Now, I'm not losing anything at all. This is, I can leave it for the rest of the day and see where it goes. Maybe I might lose some ₹1,000 or somewhere, because I have already made some 10k. So this is good. And now if it breaks this, and then like somebody pointed out, yesterday's previous day low is here, and if it breaks this, we are in for a blast on the PE side. See, 1 o'clock I came, 1:30 I came online, and that's when I started initiating positions while I was on live stream. From here only I was, when market has fallen so much, at what confidence am I entering here? Right? You need to think about that. My God, 383 now. That's good. I think I will start trailing now. I will start trailing. This is good. Placing it at 385 as the trigger, and I'm going to adjust this quickly as much as I can and maximize. That's what I'm going to do. Oh, it got executed at 385. Okay, cool. I really am happy with that. That's okay, you cannot capture everything, but happy, because without being full time on the trade, I was able to make 15k. 15k is not a joke. It's good. And considering only how many, 1 hour 40 minutes of trade, done. No further trading. Let market go wherever it wants. I don't want any single paisa from here. That's all. I'm done for the day. Okay, let's take the case of the victory channel here. Okay, and let's use this as a learning opportunity. I really want all my Telegram community members to watch this now. Reason is, this is really the closest any person can give truth. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, now how do you avoid wiping of your capital? Any idea? How can you avoid wiping of your, yeah, I will make loss. I'm not saying I will not make loss, but how can you avoid wiping of your capital? What is TVC, Trading View channel? Santoshji? Because really I feel very sad for the victory channel. Definitely our channel name is the answer. Absolutely. We are making every effort to avoid losing the capital, right? We can go wrong, but our mistake should not cost us the capital. How do we do that? Okay. keep risk small and profit big. Um, to some extent, yes. Sometimes, but in reality, what I have seen is um, you should be willing to lose 1.5 times to earn 1 rupee. You are able to, if you are okay losing 1.5 time, 1.5 rupees, then market is ready to give you 1 rupee. That's what I have realized. People say that keep 1:1. I like 1 rupee, 1 rupee means definitely 1 rupee stop loss will be it. Okay. But I have developed some techniques and managed my risk in such a way that literally my risk will be 2 rupees I will be risking, 1 rupee I will be earning, but for the 2 rupee I have a backup plan. I'll be doing some sort of edging. That edging will give me about 70 paise. So in reality, if you look at it, 30 paise is my risk, 1 rupee is what I am targeting, but for which you need capital. Okay. Yeah, that is one. Second thing is that, say you have 2 lakh rupees. Now, something is trading at 200 rupees. You might be thinking I can buy up to 1000 quantities. This is where you have decided to give your capital to market. Okay. If you have 2 lakhs and you are dividing it exactly by the strike value 200 rupees and then you calculated 1000 quantities, you are sure to lose that 2 lakhs in one bad day. Okay. That is, you can write it somewhere if you want. Don't divide your capital and then count how many quantities you can buy. Always ask yourself, if I am buying 100 quantities and if it falls by 100 rupees, right? You took something at 200 rupees, 100 quantities you took, investment is 20k, and if it has become 10k, are you okay with it? Okay. If the answer is no, then you will know what is the right quantity for you till you do this analysis and find out what is my acceptable loss. Okay. Acceptable loss means people will say that okay, loss means let's see, but truly you have not assessed your losses. You have never assessed your losses. The problem why most people are losing money is because most people are thinking that okay, if the 500 rupees goes and then 1000 rupees comes, I am okay. But when really 500 rupees goes, you don't exit the position. You are going for double averaging, triple averaging, deploying your entire capital, doing all the silly mistakes, right? So ask yourself, what is the first quantity that you want to enter for which if the price falls by 100 rupees, I am okay. What is that? That is your comfort zone. Okay. Learn what is your comfort zone. This is absolutely a really good content. But since you have lost money, I really give it for you. Okay. Learn this technique. You have 1 lakh and deep inside you really know that I cannot go beyond 1500 rupees, means then definitely you should be taking a quantity like 25 only. 25 quantities you are taking, 100 rupee fall, 2500 rupees gone. That is your actual risk. In your trading account, you look at the figure. If it is showing 1 lakh, by the end of the day, you are checking after the market hour, you are logging in. What is that you can see and still feel happy about? Like if you are seeing 98,000, you will be happy. If you are seeing 88,000, you will be panicking. If you are seeing only 48,000, you will lose that 48,000 on the next trading session. Guaranteed. You can write it and keep it somewhere. If your open position is making you not sleep, you did wrong and you feel it. Correct. I agree. So that is completely spot on. And thing is, it's easy to become indisciplined. Okay, for example, you are capturing, let's say, a very simple technique. Okay, yeah, take an Excel sheet, work with your Excel sheet. Okay, you put down for 1 lakh capital, what is that money that I would really be happy to see after losing. I have 1 lakh. If I see it 98k, I still feel that okay, fine, that's okay. Then good. Next day that 98 becomes what, and still you will be happy with that. If you see 96,000 and then I am fine, still good. Third day, if that 96 can become 98 again, you can be happy. So likewise, you define what is that capital piece that you are willing to lose. Actually, you are willing to lose. Okay. Because what happens is, when we are in profit, we don't check. But when you have lost the money, we will go to that funds and then check how much money, how much brokerage, all this we will check. But when you have wiped off our capital, you will not even feel like logging in. I am telling you from my personal experience. You will not even look like looking at your own profile. That is step one. Step once again, what is it? Vijay, 3.5% on capital in the morning. Fantastic. Went greedy and ended in 1.5 by noon and winded up and got out. Okay, that's fine. Still in profits, good, Vijay. Still in profits, good. These sort of markets, if you're still in profit, pat yourself. Pat yourself. That's great. You're doing good. Okay, more inputs I will give you. So that is positioning, size. You need to define how much is okay. So if 1 lakh can become 98,000 and still you can be happy, then how many quantities you can take? 25 quantities. Only then, if 100 rupee fall also happens, you will book that 2,500 rupees loss. Correct? With one lot itself, you are losing 2,500 rupees. But you will be okay. But first time itself, you are taking some 250 quantity and then it has gone down. You are making a loss of say 25,000. To average that, you are putting in another thing. That is also not working. Then you will become panicking. Instead of playing in the month end, you will come to weekly because cheaper strike rates. Your capital would have become 80,000 rupees or maybe 70,000 rupees. Now you will go for at the money strikes which are trading at 70 rupees. You will buy 1,000 quantity, and from 70 it will become 36 rupees. Now you will exit that. You will enter into PE. Absolutely, you lose your capital. I have done that. Yes, that's right. When your capital is big, make small money, because for a big capital, even small money is reasonably bigger. Okay, with 10 lakhs, small return would be say 5k. But 5k for every Indian, it's a big money, right? People will be like very fooling you around. They'll say that with 1 lakh only I made 20k. With 1 lakh only today I bought stock options and then made 1 lakh. Guaranteed calls I will give you. So many nonsense people tell, right? And then they are looting your money. What is scientific? What is realistic? Recognize. See, this is the only profession you are dealing with money and you are getting rewards on the very same day. Which business will pay you that? If I am going for a training program, I deliver the program, I come back, next day I raise invoice, the invoice is processed, and then for me to get the payments takes 45 days. I have to wait 45 days. Physically I am going and then putting my blood and sweat and preparing the content, going and delivering, is giving me next day. Now I went for the meeting, came back, invested hard cash, got hard cash back. Now I am going to do a payout, right? So that is what it is. You are dealing with real money with real returns. Understand that. and don't let your real money to be in someone's control. Okay, that is second discipline. So what else I can say? Um, my biggest regret, I will tell you, my biggest regret is last 50 days, I'm not able to read anything. I'm really, really feeling sad about my own progress. I'm making money, that is all okay, but I'm not happy. I'm not happy because I'm not learning. That See, given a choice, you whether you want to trade and then you earn 1,000 rupees, or you want some 4 hours to read. I would really want to read. But one thing that is stopping me is it's not about money alone. Now I have started the channel, and then if I leave, then the followership and then building the channel, all these things will get stopped. Plus, I have started too many things at the same time, like mentorship program, this program, then talking with people, everything. So, plus analyzing and posting videos and so many things. So, I was like not getting time. But one of the disciplines that I want to really bring back is to continue with my learning. And why I emphasize so much about learning is it's not about what capital that you are having, even if you have no capital. If you want to be a professional, you want to be really good at what you are, you need to learn. Without knowledge, how can you become good at something, right? So you need to invest onto your learning. And trust me, um, I'll tell you a lot of. It's not about boasting what I did and how much I was and all. It's not that, but there was a time where uh, I wanted to learn guitar, but I was like already like 28, 29. And then when I went to that institute where they are teaching, everybody was like a kid, 7-year-old, 8-year-old, holding guitar, and I was the oldest one. But I thought that okay, it will be fun, let me learn. And then I want to really learn. I had to travel 20 kilometers in bike in Bangalore, and it's pretty horrible. Traffic, silk board and all, you cannot cross. I used to, you need to start like 2 hours earlier to reach there. So I anyway signed up for that, and then I was going. But then I wanted 5,000 rupees at that time, and I was doing college. Okay, MBA I was studying, and now I don't have money also. My friends were working from engineering, they were working. I called my good old friend, and then I asked him to send me 5,000 rupees. He said, why you don't you have? He said, I have spent everything. I don't have. I really need money. Then he was like, but why, when you don't have money for your own no survival, because some rice roadside shop you eat and then survive, right? Then he was asking why you want it now. I said, for food I will manage, but this passion and interest cannot wait, right? Once the passion is lost, once the interest is lost, I will not find the same zeal to go and attend. Now, right now, I am fired to learn, but if I look at money, then I will not be learning. So I give me money, I will return you. So he sent me next month. When my father sent me money, he used to send only 5,000 rupees. Entire money I repaid him. For a whole month, he has given me money for food, but I have sent that one because for me, passion is more important than anything else. So, oh, you know that, Vijay? Yeah. So, this particular episode actually helped me to realize something. It's not that what I wanted to learn, but I am really, really, fired to invest into learning. That's one good quality. You take any person, you just go to any famous person and look at their past before they became famous, before they became successful. What have they done? They didn't know. It's not that somebody has given them some. It's not some Padayappa movie, that some suddenly they have discovered some granite, mountain, and then you are the owner of it. So many crores are there at your disposal, and then you became some bull. No, you don't become bull like that. You have to invest. You have to work hard. Then you need to earn your right to become successful. So success should be earned, right? So you invest into your learning, right? Whatever it is, invest into your learning. Not suggesting to take any sort of programs, but buy books. 100 rupees, 300 rupees, 500 rupees. That's all. If you are going for a very premium book, it will be costing you some 600, 700 rupees. Some foreign author has written 700 rupees. That's all. Max to max. One day brokerage you consider. Okay? Buy it. Invest your time. So these are some suggestions I am giving you. Okay? Vijay also had the same experience in losing money, and calm mind is also having the same set of experience. Because why I am becoming a little uncomfortable is just one day I didn't come to stream, and then I come back, and then you say that you have lost your capital. Suddenly it feels like so much guilt comes. Could I have done something? Could I have said something? Maybe I could have said something that could have curtailed the loss. That sort of feeling comes. That's why I am sharing this with you. Okay, so work with Excel sheet. Excel sheet is the trick. People will say that go for algo, go for this one. I will give you premium paid calls. Don't trust any nonsense. Just go for Excel sheet. Work with it. Play with it. You don't know what to do with the Excel sheet, just open and keep staring it. Some ideas will come, you start filling in that. Okay. Don't know where to start, no problem. Start typing. My capital is 1 lakh. If I am taking one lot of at the money, what is the price? Do some sort of fancy coloring, coding, all these things you do. Play with it. Many of the friends that I have is also doing that. In fact, I was so much inspired by his passion and the zeal and the dedication and commitment that he showed. I started doing myself as well. So a lot of disciplining can come when we start investing our personal time into learning. Okay, so learning comes from the personal time, not by sitting from 9 to 3:30. Making money, losing money will not make you knowledgeable. What you do before market opens, after market closes, that's where the discipline and your fate is decided there. This is the open secret. Okay, I am telling you very, very explicitly, this is the secret. Okay, it's not what you do during the market, what you do before and after it closes. All right, I've been talking a lot. Yeah, Siddharth, I can understand. Positions are positions, right? Mm, I feel sad. There was also one person, don't want to call out the name, signed up for some mentorship program, uh, and a lot of times the day it starts. You see, it's a 5 day session, right? Day one itself, he has taken some sort of position, listening to some paid group member. Okay, and the capital was only about 65K, 70K. And then, as we were talking, discussing, his attention was diverted to that, right? Like positions. Of course, positions are positions. You cannot really leave it open. And then the attention was divided. Eventually, I told that it's a wrong entry, all these things. Before even the uh, mentorship got over, his capital was wiped off, and I was feeling so bad. I was feeling so bad because one, he has paid me, two, he has lost his capital, and three, his attention was divided, and I don't know how effective the program was. So I was like disappointed in a way that not the kind of real value that one might have got, he would have got. Okay, 13 minutes to go, and then the market is making one last attempt to reach day's low, which is about some 50 points away. Let's see if it's able to do that. Wow. I saw a quick action on the downside. Maybe they might drag it down. Just looking at the speed of the move only, I am saying that there is a possibility of market going down. There were days where from 9 o'clock to 3:30, I would even forget to blink and not eat breakfast and lunch and then watch entirely. My eyes used to be completely red. For months together, I have done, and then really painful it was. We enter into some sort of psychological trap. Market means we have to watch continuously, we have to trade every second, there is an opportunity we are missing out, all these things. Don't bother don't bother focus on establishing a system for yourself. That's the reality. We might see a fall. How many points away? Another 12 points away to break today's low, and if it breaks that, then we should see reaching yesterday's low. All are good possibilities. Let's see. Most people get into the stream because of someone else. Even I got into it because of my relative. Beginner's luck was the curse for me. Yes, there is nothing called beginner's luck. It's the beginner's curse. The curse is that your first two, three trades will be profit. That's the curse. If you're smart, just get out of it and stop trading for the rest of the life with the two trades. That's all. Oh, thank you, Santoshi. Yeah. Mm, Because I am telling you now, uh, where is he? I just missed his name. The Victory Channel. Um if he is going to watch from tomorrow, he is going to watch it for every candle. That's what will happen. Um, no need to do that. Check where the market is trading, which hundreds it is trading. Is it between 40,400 to 500? Just capture the levels and then don't even follow the market. Set up some sort of alerts. Tell the market, as much as you are controlling me, I am also in control of you. You know, have some uh, sort of dialogue with the market. Say that I want to know where you are. That's all. I don't need to know second by second where you are, right? I just want to know largely where you are. That's all. And put an alert. Focus on working your new system, working your learning something, reading something. It broke, guys. See, that's why I said there is a possibility it might come down. Anticipation was good. Uh, Somebody is asking, should I go for the BTST on the CE side? Please don't. Right. Correct. Trading is a long journey. We have to build many things before we become a pro. There are a lot of things to learn. Many things to learn. Quick reality check, how much is 28K. I don't know whom this question was addressed, but not a good idea to discuss how much we earn in an open forum. Santosh ji says that what do you do other than trading? Yeah, you might answer. Can we hold PE position? My suggestion is you can, but take in April month contract. Go for April month contract. Yeah, see this one. It has reached previous day low. It's a goner, guys. It's a goner. The market has made fantastic move from here and then it came down all the way here. So now you see this line was not drawn today. This line was there for almost like 4 days now, and that's the power of analysis. It was very clear that at this stage it should reverse, and look where it took the reversal. It didn't even touch there, hardly any points difference, right? It made its peak there, and then from there on it was a butcher, right? It was butchered completely. Now I'm not so happy about the money that I made today, but I'm extremely happy about that this blue line gives me more happiness than what I earned today. That is the real kick. Okay, If you ask me what is giving me more happiness, this blue line is giving me more happiness than what I see in the in my trading account. Okay. A sold call in before this fall. That's a good idea, Siddharth. You can do that. Buying a put, probably, no, I might, that will be my second recommendation. But selling a call at the peak is a great idea. And what you did is good. Wow, it broke and then it's going down. So there is some zone saying that welcome back. This is the zone saying, talking to this candle, yeah, welcome back. So it has gone up, now coming down. It's like throwing a stone from here. It goes all the way up, reaches a peak, and then it's coming down, right? That's the power of zones. They will pull like magnet. Sure, that's wonderful, Siddharth. Yeah. You need to earn so much that some of the options should become free of cost, right? Even if it becomes zero, you shouldn't be worrying about it. Like yesterday, day before yesterday, I was holding 100 quantities, right? And that was completely free position. Free position because I brought it from my profits. And when market went up, I could have waited today, but what if it goes beyond 40,800? I am not the market, right? I am just, I have drawn the blue line. If market goes beyond that, can I ask the market, why are you going above this? I cannot, right? So, and today I have this meeting, so I exited it with a loss. Right now it would have been in profit, but no problem. What I lost yesterday, I gained it in intraday today. So that's fine. Mhm. So LT4 done. Last 1 minute, LT4 done. This is a strong close. Stronger close. This is really a strong close. I'm feeling so tempted to carry an overnight position, but I don't want to do it because day after tomorrow I am having Fibonacci mentorship program, and I wanted to prepare some slides for that. And if I am holding some overnight positions, I will have to worry about it, what to take, how to adjust. Rather, I will leave it free and then decide later. So, yeah, that's it, guys. So 3:30 market stopped. There we are. Good. So that's a nice close. Any questions, comments, please feel free, and let's catch up for some small time tomorrow. I might take a second of break because I want to prepare for the content for Saturday session. So morning first half I will do the trading, second half I will skip it. Okay. Oh, that's good. Siddharth, you cannot exit now. You have to exit tomorrow only. Market is over. You cannot exit. You can exit tomorrow. Overall green. That's wonderful, Bhaskar. And yeah, most welcome, Inderpal. Welcome. Great. Although it was a quick session, a lot of interactions, a lot of positive things. Happy with that. Um, One sad learning is that TVC has lost its capital, but if, I am sure in the months and the years to come, he will grow stronger. He will find his rhythm. He will find his how to say that balance. I would say, yeah. So with that note, let's call it a day and catch you all tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Yeah. So take care, guys. Yeah. Good day, everyone. Thank you. So I'm going to sign off. Take care. Bye, Vishwanath and Bhaskar, Siddharth, Inderpal, everyone. Thank you.